Namaskar.
That's right, Namaskar Internet. It's Monday, it's been raining, it's muddy, and we've got the Xpulse to take you to sites such as this with gorgeous waterfalls, quiet breakfast by the lake, watch the trails turn into rivers, and of course, try and drown Sattu's bike. Try and see if the boots are waterproof. Get stuck in places with views as gorgeous as these.
That should.
And of course, practice our French while we're on the trail. Welcome to Muddy Monday with the Xpulse.
Yeah, right. This is the third bike where the first trip is desert sled.
Desert sled, yeah, I remember that one. I mean, it was a brand new bike, no scratches on it. Africa Twin, of course, I remember that one too. I mean, again, brand new bike, no scratches on it till that point. No.
Push. More.
Yeah, see, I'm helping. I'm a good guy. I'm helping out.
So, Sattu, is this the first one?
Oh, that evil laughter.
This is the second new bike.
Pure evil.
That's the thing, isn't it? And we always managed to have a lot of fun on that first trip.
There you go again. Evil laughter.
It's sort of like popping the cherry for your bike on the first trip.
Okay, popping the cherry or not, here we go. And here we stop.
So some boys just crashed.
So this happens all the time. You go out and you're in gear, and for some reason other motorcyclists who are just out there get excited and start racing.
Guys hit him from the back.
आप ठीक है? पीछे से मारा क्या?
Feel really sorry for this guy. He was calmly cruising along the left-hand side of the lane. No fault of his.
तुम लोग का लड़का लोग कैसा है दोस्त?
पीछे से मारा एकदम इसमें आके। क्या देखा रहा था? अब हम साथ में देखा। मैंने देखा वीडियो बना रहे थे। आपने पीछे मारा इसको एकदम। पीछे मारा वो राइट में थोड़ा दबे तब क्या किया? आप फास्ट जा रहे थे बस और आप सड़क पे कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर रहे थे। जब गलती है तो मान लिया करो।
ओह, जब गलती है तो मान लिया करो। सत्तू ने बोला तो बोला, मानो।
हेलमेट पहना था आपने?
हाँ हेलमेट था। हेलमेट था।
आप ऐसा करो, आप फ़ोन पे ना अपने किसी दोस्त को गाड़ी पे बुला लो। अभी बाइक मत चलाओ, एक बार जाके डॉक्टर से चेकअप कराओ।
Well, soon enough we were out of all the city mess and amidst nature, where we do usually what we do, we just take off our clothes.
Remove our jacket, no?
Just the jackets. We wear the rest. Yeah. Okay. So let's head out and enjoy the views. Just look at that. Today is going to be lovely. There are streams that are running across the trail. They would have formed some nice deep ruts in places.
Namaskar.
And there shall be no dearth of water crossings. Big, small, shallow, deep, rocky, slippery. We got it all.
Nice. There comes Sattu. Enjoying his Xpulse. Nice. There is without doubt a lot of water. It's been raining really heavy for the past 2-3 days. And that's the reason we said now's a good time to be here. Oh yes.
And yes, really, the same trails on a regular winter day offer very, very less challenge. But come monsoons, everything changes. From the amount of fun you can have to the challenges that the trail will throw up at you. And ordinarily, I'm not that chatty, but when I'm out there, I love to engage with the locals.
मच्छी मिला? छोटा
एक बड़ा एक छोटा, starter main course दोनों हो गया boss. Ooh, we have another motorcyclist, a tiger.
Hey man, how are you doing? I don't think there's much of a way, but there's a way from the top. Yeah. Lovely, no? So okay, we just go ahead and then we come back the same way and we carry on. Gorgeous.
Okay, so that is that for this diversion, because there's no point in crossing that little rivulet because the land is fenced on the other side. So we're going to turn back and explore more.
I mean, there's no point in going across because that's where it ends, right at the gate. Wow.
Man, these views, you can never have enough of them.
Bye-bye.
But with all due respect, you got to give it to this guy. He's come here solo. However, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't ride solo on trails because stuff can happen. Stuff has happened in the past. Stuff might happen today. It's always good to ride with at least a buddy, if not one or two.
Ah, nice. This would have been a lot more tricky.
Same time, I think it's completely crap to be riding with 15, 16 people together. I mean, you're just going to be disturbing and destroying everything that you're riding through.
Yeah.
Satu said something about his
Yeah,
butt.
these bags are a problem.
Coming in the way,
Yeah. Bag is a problem.
But still, it's speed में दोनों नापे करेंगे.
Any day. Any day.
Aha, some nice water features, some muddy ruts,
Woohoo!
and some narrow ruts. It's all here.
Gorgeous. All of these little roads, they just lead to these outhouses, you know, where they've been farming. I think this looks like cucumber.
Cucumber is fine, but let's turn around and see what's keeping Sattu. Did we do a hat trick here? I think we did.
Congratulations! You popped the cherry. Yeah, there's nothing. I'm just like, we're going through all the nooks and corners. Yeah, this is deep.
So once you put the rally seat on your Xpulse, the height does go up a fair bit. I have chosen not to install the seat. I've installed the suspension, I've installed the other stuff, but I haven't installed the rally seat. Can we go through there? I think we can go through there. Yeah, we went through there. And every time you are asking yourself the question, is it worth it?
Ah,
Absolutely.
what a spot. How about, yeah, we can take some pictures and stuff. Nice spot, no?
Every time you choose the path of a little more resistance, you will be rewarded.
We can probably catch a bite here. Good spot.
That is dirt biking gyan, which is applicable in life, just like that. I so enjoy the silence in these areas. Each sound complements the other. The silence in the space, along with hard-boiled eggs, cheese, lake view. I mean, does Monday get any better? Well, I think the answer to that is yes, it is gonna get better. I'll just leave you with some random shots of enjoying the trails. There was literally boundless amount of fun to be had. Okay, this one looks deep. Oh yeah, that went down. Maybe gas it a bit to get any water that might be in the chamber. Oops, Satu stalled. No, his engine's still up and running. He should be fine. Yeah, a lot of fun still to be had, but when I look at the footage, I sometimes wonder maybe a 360-degree camera would help, get more angles. Otherwise, just this one angle. Are you getting a bit bored?
नमस्कार, सब ठीक ठाक? ऐसा ही नदी तक जाके वापस। अभी तो नदी बहुत बड़ा होएगा ना। ये आपका है? खेती की तरह? हाँ, धान उगाया। बारिश भी अच्छा है ना? चलो मिलते हैं आपसे।
All pleasantries exchanged. It's time to move on. Look at the front bob. Now that happens because I'm sitting down. You've got to be up on the pegs.
नमस्कार, मच्छी पकड़ रहे? मच्छी पकड़ रहे?
So these are a multitude of little trails which will branch out from your main trail, and usually they'll be going down to the water. They're all accessing the lake. In summertime, when the monsoon water has receded, you can actually ride much further in.
If you go a little further, I'll take a picture. You can go up to that hut.
Yeah, if he had an inflatable. But listen, check this out. Quite a view, yeah. And everywhere in Maharashtra, in the Western Ghats, there are literally hundreds of waterfalls. It is so beautiful. Talking about beautiful, if you've had your fill of following all those gorgeous women on Instagram, I am out there too, and I promise I shall not pose in a bikini for you. Motorcycling musician is the handle. Alright, let's get out of here.
Watch it disappear.
So a few weeks back, Sattu, Sachin and I, we had a con call. And the question they were asking me is, Dada, do you think we should buy the Xpulse? And I told them, absolutely. Because having a bike that's much lighter as against the Africa Twin helps you practice your technique right, like Sattu did right here. Now this is a very tricky crossing and we've done it many times before, but not when the levels are so high.
I mean, we can go from here, but the thing is, ahead of this there's that village and we have to turn back anyways. Yeah. So I think might as well turn back and enjoy some more stuff.
That was the easiest concurrence that I have ever gotten.
Yes.
Here comes mighty Uttam, and he's decided to go for the gnarly line. And he's going, and he's going, and he's gone.
Well done. Well done.
Yes, Uttam fell here. Absolutely.
Siddhant also, I think, went on that road.
Yes, Siddhant too.
He fell here. That time the formation was different.
Here he is, splashing through the water, crossing, making his way gloriously to... Oh, okay then. Enjoy the underwater footage.
Fell in this area.
Yeah, and you can see all of that on my channel. I'm going to re-upload it. Okay, so time to turn back and...
Sure.
Yes, practicing French, always. So the thing is that the starter has gone kaput, and therefore the choicest of expletives made their way out to you. Okay, so this rain which is coming down pretty heavy has changed quite a lot around here. The trails that were simply a little muddy are now small streams. There is a lot of water that you have to ride through. And what is worrying me is that deep water crossing, which was deep to start with. Let's see what happens. So this is what happened. Sattu's bike actually got breached on a rock. I mean, the front and the rear had no contact. with the ground, below the stream, river, water, pond. Plus on top of it, at one point, we actually dropped the damn bike. It was submerged underwater. It'll be a miracle if she starts. Okay, my turn. I'm going to stay left. Why? Because on the right, Sattu drowned. Ah, the smoke says it all.
Sattu, we had your bike swimming there, didn't we?
But it started.
Yeah, it started. That was our only worry. Exhaust was submerged. But exhaust is not the problem, the air box is. But yeah, at one point we tipped it over, so it was completely in. Good show, hero. And this doesn't look much. I mean, there's nothing rocky under it, but it gets really deep. By really deep, I mean maybe 2.5 feet maybe. Where we came from. That's where we're going. Waterfall here.
Well, there was more riding to be done until we came across this spot. This was not rideable, not with our current skill set. No way. But then we've already had our fair bit of fun, and who minds the trail ride being cut short abruptly when you have views like these? Well, as long as you don't tell anybody, I'll tell you what we did. We ran around in slow motion like they do in the films. We jumped up and down. We took selfies and sent it back to our lovers. And we wished we hadn't finished all the hard-boiled eggs. Well, anyways, so that was our Muddy Monday with the Xpulse. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Vipin Mishra saying bye for now. Ride hard, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you're still here, subscribe, hit that bell icon, leave me a comment. Let's be in touch. Ciao.